we got there?
Another clutch kit.
Welcome back to the channel. I'm Link.
I'm Chris.
And we've got this new sled. If you watched one of our other videos, we kind of explained about this sled, but for newcomers, it's a 2020 Polaris 850 NA with a 163 3-inch. We needed an upgrade, so we got this sled, and one of the things that we wanted to do to it was get a clutch kit. We're a big fan of the SRP products, so we got a clutch kit in the Boost. We decided to put one in this thing, and we even went to the mountains, did a side-by-side comparison. So, what do you think? Should we show them that?
Well, first, let's tell them what we got here. So, yeah, like Link said, SRP, which is Seinen Racing Products. Ben Seinen, he's a great guy, and he's very passionate about snowmobile industry and stuff like that. And he makes a quality kit. It's working phenomenal in the Boost with the Backshift, and you know, just how hard it pulls, grabs the belt, and just you're always on point for when you need the power and you're chopping the throttle or whatever. It's always working just perfectly. So we thought, let's put one into the 850 NA. So in this clutch kit, there was a primary spring, secondary spring, Durlin washer for the secondary, clutch weights, which are a pretty cool weight. They're very different design. And then what else was in here? Oh, and a helix, of course. Yeah. So yeah, like Link said, we've already been to the mountains and the clutch kit is already in the sled. So check out the video coming up here, and we do some riding. We do the clutch kit install in the trailer, and then we do some more riding so you guys can see kind of the difference, and we'll talk about it after. So check out the video, and we'll be right back.
Alright guys, this is a little bit of testing. Clutch kit. We'll see how the sled reacts on this little hill here, and then we'll do the same thing with the clutch kit tomorrow. I like the new sled. It's got a lot more power than the old one. Pretty fun. Clutch kit's in it. It's the next day. We got a bit of snow, but we're gonna do the same climb we did yesterday. See how it does. Throughout riding the day, I felt it's more responsive. definitely tell it's more responsive. It's got more chop to it when you're on and off the throttle. It's just there when you need it. I like it.
So guys, what'd you think? It was pretty good experience, honestly. Well, that video in particular, we were in Golden, BC, and it was my first time, and I loved it. And this guy's been there a couple of times, and he says he loves it too.
Yes.
So, but the snow conditions were a little bit different each day, so it was a little difficult, but you could definitely tell some differences. So some things that I found was that it was a lot more responsive. Like getting on and off the throttle, it was just there when you needed it, and I didn't have to worry about anything like not coming or waiting a minute. It was just there. Yeah, it just also felt very snappy, very snappy. I mean, again, it was pretty different days, so it was hard to compare. One was really deep, one was average, so I didn't really tell anything else, but what did you think?
Yeah, I noticed a difference, but like you said, the snow conditions were very different. Day one was just mediocre snow, but hey, we're in the mountains. And then day two, we had almost 2 feet of fresh, which was phenomenal. It was such a good day. There's more video of that. Anyway, yeah, I felt the same as you. Initially, the response of the clutch engagement was very snappy and very crisp. And then once we were riding at elevation, chopping the throttle on and off, the backshift again, just like the boost, was right on point. Backshifting, grabbing the clutch engagement, everything about it was just super responsive. We didn't over rev. Power was right there. It was always like this thing was running better than new. It was like a different sled, really.
Yeah.
Even though we had different snow conditions on both days, the reaction from just a clutch kit, wow. I mean, I heard before we started doing a lot of clutching, guys would always talk about clutching or shocks. Shocks is another one.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, I am a firm believer that clutching makes a huge difference, and this Seinen Racing Products is on point. So I think that's about it. Hey, buddy?
Yeah.
If you guys are looking for a clutch kit, Seinen Racing Products, SRP, obviously we're going to have a link in the description. We've probably already put it on screen someplace too. But anyway, yeah, if you guys want something, it doesn't matter what you ride. He's got clutch kits for just about everything. And Ben's a great guy, and he can help you out. And just no matter what you got, it's going to make it better.
Yes, yes. But now you'll see some more videos of us riding right after this. But what do you think? Should we sign off for today?
Yeah, I think that's good.
Yeah. So thanks for watching, and
we'll see you guys in the next one.